Transferring cryptocurrencies between exchanges is a common task that many crypto enthusiasts and traders perform regularly. This guide will show you how to move your USDT from OKX to Binance, two of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the market. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through it step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process. By the end, you'll be able to confidently transfer your USDT without any hassle or confusion. This guide is aimed at beginners, but even seasoned traders might find some useful tips. We'll use simple language and explain each step clearly, making sure you can follow along without any issues. We'll also highlight crucial points to avoid common pitfalls, ensuring your transfer goes smoothly. Let's get started. This is the first step. You will need to have accounts on both platforms and be logged in. Make sure your accounts are verified to avoid any delays. Before we start the transfer process, let's ensure you're all set. First, you'll need active accounts on both OKX and Binance. If you don't have accounts yet, signing up is straightforward. Next, ensure you have enough USDT in your OKX account to cover the transfer amount and any fees. Finally, it's important to understand the basics of cryptocurrency networks, specifically ERC20 and TRC20. These are the two main networks used for USDT transfers, and selecting the correct one is crucial. Make sure you have enough USDT before initiating the transfer. Let's move your USDT. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and secure transfer. First, log into your OKX account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready and that you are accessing the official OKX website or app to avoid any phishing attempts. Head to the Assets section and select Withdraw. This is where you will initiate the transfer of your USDT. Choose USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Ensure you select the correct token to avoid any mistakes. Next, you'll need to select the network for your transfer. This step is crucial as it determines the route your USDT will take. OKX supports both ERC20 and TRC20. Each network has its own advantages, so choose the one that best suits your needs. For this guide, we'll use ERC20. It's widely supported and offers a good balance of speed and cost. Remember, the network you choose on OKX must match the one on Binance. Mismatched networks can result in lost funds. Now log into your Binance account. Ensure you are using the official Binance platform to avoid any security risks. Go to the Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. This is where you will manage your deposits and withdrawals. Click on Deposit and choose USDT. Make sure you select the correct token to avoid any errors. Make sure ERC20 is selected as the network. Copy the deposit address. This address is unique to your Binance account. This is your unique USDT deposit address on Binance. Double-check it to ensure accuracy. Go back to OKX and paste the copied address into the withdrawal address field. This step is crucial for the transfer. Double-check that the address is correct. Sending to the wrong address means losing your funds. Always verify before proceeding. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum or maximum transfer limits. Review the transaction details, including any fees, and confirm the withdrawal. Make sure everything is correct before finalizing. You might need to complete additional security steps, such as entering a verification code sent to your email or phone. This adds an extra layer of security to your transaction. Section 4. Importance of network selection and address verification. Choosing the correct network is crucial when transferring cryptocurrencies. This step ensures that your funds are routed through the appropriate channels, minimizing the risk of errors. If you select the wrong network, your funds could be lost permanently. This is a common mistake that can be easily avoided with careful attention. Always double-check that the network selected on the sending platform, OKX in our case, matches the network on the receiving platform, Binance. This ensures compatibility and prevents transaction failures. Always be careful when entering your wallet address. A single incorrect character can lead to irreversible consequences. Similarly, verifying the recipient's wallet address is critical. Double-checking the address can save you from costly mistakes. Before confirming the transfer, take a moment to double-check the address. This simple step can provide peace of mind and ensure the accuracy of your transaction. Even a small typo can result in your funds being sent to an incorrect address and lost forever. Always review every detail carefully to avoid such mishaps. Section 5. Conclusion: USDT transfer simplified. Transferring USDT from OKX to Binance might seem complicated at first, but following these steps makes it straightforward. By ensuring you have the prerequisites, understanding the importance of network selection and address verification, and following the step-by-step guide, you can confidently move your USDT between these exchanges. Remember to always double-check all details before confirming any transaction. With a little practice, you'll be transferring crypto like a pro. Happy trading!